Advanced menu planning is key to efficient grocery shopping. A detailed shopping list helps avoid impulse purchases. Focusing on necessary ingredients prevents overspending. This strategy ensures that only required items are bought. Smart shopping begins with comparing prices across multiple stores. Consulting flyers is a good way to find deals. Online advertisements provide another avenue for price discovery. Price comparison applications can streamline the process. Focus on Thanksgiving staples like turkey, potatoes, and cranberries. Identifying the best deals ensures cost-effective Thanksgiving preparations. Opting for a smaller turkey can significantly reduce costs. A smaller turkey also minimizes the amount of leftovers. Consider alternative protein options such as chicken or ham for a more budget-conscious meal. Vegetarian main courses offer another cost-effective and diverse alternative. Substituting ingredients is a method to reduce food costs. Cheaper alternatives can often replace more expensive ingredients without sacrificing overall flavor. Using frozen vegetables instead of fresh produce is one such substitution. Homemade cranberry sauce can replace the canned version, offering both cost savings and flavor control. Preparing dishes from scratch can be a cost-effective alternative to pre-made options. Pre-made sides and desserts offer convenience but often come at a higher price. Baking pies at home allows for control over ingredients and reduces expenses. Making stuffing from scratch is another way to save money while enhancing flavor. Homemade dishes often provide superior taste compared to store-bought alternatives, in addition to the cost savings. Reducing food waste starts with careful portion planning. Accurately planning portion sizes minimizes leftovers. Online calculators can help determine appropriate food amounts per guest. Using these tools prevents excess ingredients from being wasted. Effective portion control is key to minimizing overall food waste. Hosting a potluck-style Thanksgiving is a cost-effective approach. Guests are asked to contribute by bringing a dish to share. This method distributes the financial burden of the meal. It also reduces the amount of effort required from the host. Potlucks promote a collaborative and inclusive holiday celebration. Purchasing items in bulk can lead to significant cost savings. This strategy is particularly effective for non-perishable goods with a long shelf life. Staple ingredients like flour and sugar are prime candidates for bulk buying. Spices, if used frequently, can also be more economical when bought in larger quantities. Bulk buying is especially beneficial for individuals who bake regularly. Consider storage space and usage frequency before purchasing in bulk to avoid waste. Utilize coupons and discounts to reduce the cost of Thanksgiving ingredients. Begin by searching for available coupons online through various websites. Check local newspapers for printed coupons on Thanksgiving staples. Explore store loyalty programs for exclusive discounts and offers. Focus coupon searches on specific ingredients needed for your Thanksgiving meal. Combine multiple coupons and discounts for maximum savings on your Thanksgiving grocery bill. Discount grocery stores can significantly reduce Thanksgiving shopping expenses. Stores like Aldi and Lidl provide lower prices on many grocery items. These stores often offer comparable quality to traditional supermarkets. Switching to discount stores can lead to substantial savings on Thanksgiving staples. Plan your shopping list and compare prices at different stores. Consider private label brands for additional cost savings. Consider purchasing store brands over name brands for Thanksgiving ingredients. Store brands often provide comparable quality to name brands. The key advantage of store brands is their lower price point. Choosing store brands can lead to significant savings on your Thanksgiving grocery bill. Freezing leftovers immediately is crucial for maintaining their quality and safety. Proper storage technique effectively prevent food spoilage. This allows for the enjoyment of Thanksgiving leftovers for days or even weeks. Extending the usability of leftovers reduces future grocery costs. Leftover turkey can be repurposed into a variety of dishes. Transforming turkey into soups is an effective way to utilize leftovers. Turkey sandwiches are a classic and convenient option for using leftover meat. Casseroles provide another excellent avenue for incorporating leftover turkey. Maximizing the use of leftover turkey helps reduce food waste. Creative repurposing ensures that no edible portion of the turkey goes to waste. Focus on preparing traditional Thanksgiving dishes to manage costs. Avoid including expensive specialty items in your Thanksgiving menu. Specialty items can significantly increase the overall cost of the meal. Sticking to traditional recipes helps keep the meal affordable. Limiting the number of side dishes offers practical advantages in meal management. Reducing side dishes simplifies the overall meal preparation process. Fewer side dishes translate to less time spent cooking and assembling the meal. A reduced number of ingredients directly lowers the total cost of meal preparation. This approach can lead to more efficient grocery shopping and reduced food waste. Therefore, strategically limiting side dishes can optimize both time and budget. Consider borrowing specialized kitchen tools for single-use events like Thanksgiving. Borrowing reduces the need for purchasing items used infrequently. Friends and family are potential sources for borrowing kitchen equipment. Renting is an alternative to borrowing, especially for more specialized equipment. Renting provides access to tools without the long-term commitment of ownership. Borrowing or renting offers a cost-effective solution for occasional kitchen needs. Plan ahead for next year's Thanksgiving celebration by shopping after the holiday. Take advantage of discounts on Thanksgiving-themed items. Focus on purchasing decorations, serving dishes, and other holiday-specific supplies. This strategy allows for significant cost savings for next year's event. Creating decorations with natural materials is a cost-effective alternative to purchasing them. Natural materials like leaves offer diverse colors and shapes for crafting. Pine cones can be used to create rustic ornaments and centerpieces. Branches can be arranged into decorative displays or used as structural elements. Gathering these materials can be a fun outdoor activity. DIY decorations add a personal and unique touch to any space. Planning for leftovers is a proactive approach to minimizing food waste. Having appropriate containers readily available is essential for efficient storage. Efficient storage helps to preserve the quality and safety of leftover food. Properly stored leftovers are more likely to be consumed later. This practice directly contributes to reducing overall food waste in the household. Therefore, pre-planning promotes both responsible consumption and environmental awareness. Purchasing whole vegetables instead of pre-cut options can lead to significant cost savings. Pre-cut vegetables offer convenience, but typically come at a higher price point. Cutting vegetables independently allows for customization of size and shape. Preparing vegetables at home provides greater control over ingredients and portion sizes. Utilize cashback credit cards to optimize Thanksgiving spending. Explore credit cards offering rewards programs for purchases. Accumulate cashback on eligible Thanksgiving transactions. Earn rewards points through Thanksgiving-related purchases. Leverage credit card benefits to offset Thanksgiving expenses. Strategically use rewards credit cards for Thanksgiving shopping. Tracking Thanksgiving-related spending is essential for budget management. Meticulously record all expenses associated with Thanksgiving preparations. Detailed tracking helps to stay within the allocated budget. Expense analysis reveals areas where cost reductions are possible. Identifying cost-saving opportunities can optimize future Thanksgiving budgets. Effective tracking provides insights for better financial planning and control.